Alright, it's time to feed the dogs again. This is Master GongSun. My dogs have been very good lately, so it's time to give them a treat. Here you go, Charaya. Look at her, eating that thing, catching the food with her mouth. What about you, Joe? Joe, come here. Joe, come here. Oh, see, and they fight over the food, too. Whoops. Look at them. See, when they're ready to eat, they look at me with such sincerity in their eyes. Then they start wagging their tail. See, look at her. This is what she looks like when she's starving. Well, actually, she's not starving. She's just really greedy for food. She's always well fed. Come here, Joe. Now it's Joe's turn. Joe. Joe, go. Get the food. Good girl. I mean, good boy. He's a boy. Charaya. Good girl. See, they're always so eager and very obedient when they want food. See, I taught this dog how to sit years ago. Now, for some reason, my dogs love to eat human food. They love biscuits and pastries. See here, watch this. Come on, Charaya, good girl. And watch her catch it with her mouth. Oh, no, not that time. How about this time? Nope.